Hello, today I'm going to show you how to string a Stihl FSA 60R trimmer. The first thing we want to do is we want to remove the battery for safety reasons. Now we need to remove the trimmer head to make sure that there is no broken string left inside. We have the Auto Cut C62. So this is a fairly easy head to remove. So all you have to do is turn this knob here to loosen it off. And it should just pop out, but sometimes it'll get stuck on people. You just have to play with it because the cogs get caught. So one trick I've learned is push the head in when you're first loosening this knob, and then it should pop out. These little cogs here get stuck in here somehow. So we verified that there is no string left in this head. So we're going to put it back on. All you have to do is push it in here and turn the knob clockwise to tighten it. There we go. It's tight. And turn to counterclockwise like that, make it pop. If you can see this, there is an arrow here on the black part of the head and here. And then you have an arrow here on the white part of the head. Two of them. So you're going to turn this counterclockwise. It pops like that. See how the arrows are lined up now? So the type of string that you can use on the Stihl FSA 60R is this here Stihl string. It is a 0.080 string. I'm going to use the 0.095 string. It's a little thicker, and I like it more than the more thinner diameter string. So you're going to need string, you're going to need cutters, and a tape measure, and you want to cut off about 9 to 10 feet of string. So now that we have our arrows lined up, you're going to put one end of the string in the hole here on the side and push it all the way through. See how it comes out the other side? And you're going to pull it out so you have equal length on both sides. Now that we have our string on equal lengths of the head, we're going to grip the black part of this head, and then we're going to grab the white part and we're going to spin it like this until all our string is spooled inside the head. And there we go. Now we have string on both sides, and that is how you string a Stihl FSA 60R.